Having you back on the CoinSuries channel is a pleasure. Request from new viewer is, which of these options do you prefer? Please people cast your vote in the community option. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC. Many spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds have now given their sixth approval, with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse among other notable players in the sector who have expressed their approval of the action. Everyone at Garlinghouse is happy with the result. For these officials, this is a huge victory on the road to Bitcoin's full legality. The president's decision to authorize Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds, which include well-known trusts, will open up new investing opportunities in the future. The current moment is critical because it simplifies and lessens the dangers associated with Bitcoin ownership. Bitcoin investment is now easier than ever before thanks to TFS exchange traded funds. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, is optimistic that this finding would encourage more institutional investors to use the cryptocurrency system. After Bitcoin's spot price doubles, he thinks the asset class will become legitimate if the cryptocurrency finds more practical uses and speculation decreases. Co-founder of Valkyrie Refunds Steve M.C. Clare suggested the exchange-traded funds Ethereum and XRPTX. This remark was made following the opening of Bitcoin Spot to exchange-traded funds. After receiving the information you reveal today, Michelab claims that the market is ready to receive your merchandise and is setting new records. It is possible that BlackRock's Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF, might hit a new record on its first trading day, with $2 in assets. The reported maximum value of assets that these funds can purchase is $50 billion after 2 years and $4 billion on the first day. Many people would take note of these materials. Quant Dia FinTech News was the initial publication of the content. It will not be possible to trade XRP ETFs this year. In view of the ongoing legal battle between Bitcoin ETF issuers and the SEC, Bloomberg ETF analyst James Sepher investigated the strategies employed by these funds. A lot of exchange-traded funds aim for younger, more technically competent investors, as Sepher pointed out, and issuers utilize a wide range of strategies to entice these people. The more conventional outlook of baby boomers, on the other hand, can make them interested in specific ETFs. That ETFs are linked to the likelihood of numerous ETFs going bankrupt within the next 12 to 24 months, and that ticker symbols are significant are his claims. Without showing favoritism, Seth cautioned that it would be detrimental to build relationships with influential financial institutions like John Street, continuing by stating that the participation of JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs establishes the validity of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and makes them more efficient and liquid. He went on to add that CFS cannot convert its current Bitcoin holdings into ETFs, which provide currency anonymity. Thus, presuming that individuals who have enrolled for ETFs have commenced the accumulation of Bitcoin. When permission was first granted, he predicted that there will be a dramatic increase in the purchase of ETFs based on Ethereum or XRP. The reality that Bitcoin and Ethereum are treated differently by regulated futures markets became apparent very fast. Nonetheless, he expressed skepticism on the 2024 approval of XRP. Legislative restrictions are a result of the high probability of their adoption this year. It just so happens that in my opinion, Bitcoin and Ethereum are far and away the best. As I'm sure everyone is aware, XRP is the sole viable option for the future. Unless the legal issue is settled, I do not think this will happen this year. The acquisition of $285 million worth of business shares from early investors and staff had regulatory authorities anxious, but Ripple Labs has begun a share repurchase campaign for $280 million, bringing its total worth to $1.3 billion. The Ripple cryptocurrency platform, famous for its XRP token, is the target of a lawsuit brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple Labs revealed in January that the acquisition had increased the company's worth to $113 billion. The repurchase must be finalized. A maximum of 6 assets could be sold by investors in the tender offer, reports circulated. Ripple would be the vehicle for the $500 million investment. Upon completion of software taxes and the conversion of restricted stock units into shares, Estimates place the firm's value at $111 billion as of January 10, 2024. According to reliable sources. Another interesting fact about whales is their ability to sense human presence. The value of XRP has soared because to speculation about spot ETF CEO Brad Garlinghouse proposal to frequently repurchase shares in order to increase investor liquidity. Regulators are causing the company to postpone its initial public offerings in the United States. This change is a direct result of Ripple's victory in their case against the SEC. The corporation scored a major victory when the judge ruled that trading XRP on public exchanges did not pose a risk of an unregistered securities offering. The majority of Ripple's $25 billion worth of cryptocurrency assets are XRP tokens. Additionally, there is more than $1 billion in cash on the premises. If the XRP values fall short of the critical barrier level, it can indicate a bull market. With XRP's recent breakout above the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, investors and traders now have a better chance of capitalizing on the market shift caused by the launch of ETFs. This significant milestone is followed by the first large green candle of the year, which is a reason to be optimistic. Thanks to the influx of Bitcoin Cash, the strategy that propelled XRP to new heights also boosted the value of other cryptocurrencies. An uptick in investor confidence drove the cryptocurrency market to new heights as Ethereum's price surpassed $2,500. One important sign of a shift in the local trend is that XRP has broken out above its 50-day exponential moving average. The asset is expected to shut forcefully and then rise steadily, according to several persons who have seen this technical occurrence. Reached its height, market players occasionally use this level to indicate a good trend, implying that purchasing pressure could increase. In most cases, this level marks the beginning of that stage. Assuming it maintains a price level above its 50-year exponential moving average, XRP should continue its upward trend. Investors will likely be enthusiastic about the longer term if the asset breaks above the 100-year moving average. We have the power to improve this situation. These technical indicators are converging, which can lead to a dramatic increase in the price of XRP. The price of XRP increased by 6.5%. The SEEK Bitcoin ETF, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange, exchanged 22 million XRP, or 13.13 million, today, expressing the joy felt by the whole cryptocurrency sector as a result of the site's historic adoption. One of the most well-known blockchain transaction trackers was propelled to the top by this transfer, even though Alert was the first to record the conduct that heightened XRP community awareness. Thus, a large quantity of funds were sent to an anonymous wallet. Nance's motivation for this move is not apparent, and the receiving wallet, which was set up in September 2023, promptly sent the XRP to multiple receivers, among them being X and 8Bybit. Biotop has stated that this new information has made an already intriguing scenario much more so. Its current balance is slightly more than 95,173 XRP, and that is all the information we have at this time. Yesterday was the day. Get updates by signing up and sharing this. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.